Okay, so here we have a problem where there's a little bit of a struggle in getting this top piece to shell right here. If we look at a cross section, we already have the piece coming through here, or the shelled part. So as always, remember, I'm going to take a quick look, find where we're at here for this component, and it looks like we've got a sweep here to start with. So let's just roll all the way back to there. And okay, so it looks as if what was done was there was a sweep down here, and also at the same time, the option instead of shelling was a offset, or let me rephrase that, it was the wall thickness at 0.02 was shelled and sent up through. Now, let's kind of exit out of there, take a look, and then as I look at a few things, just so you're aware, it looks as if this part does not go all the way through. So you're going to want to extrude that end. And then also something else I just noticed. So we've got a solid here, and I'll pull something up later, but here you can see where it doesn't go all the way through. So we'll want to make sure you fix that. And some of the ways of doing that is when you go to shell this part, the nice thing is you can delete that face. So let's exit out of this. And what we're going to do is take a look here until we see where that lip part was. I believe it's going to be that. So there we've got a loft again. And as you say, you're struggling to shell this component. So let's just, again, let's do a cross section, see where we're at. So there, we've got it. So now let's try shelling. And we'll just keep that. So again, we're going to come up to our shell command. It's going to ask for the face. So we're going to do that. Wall thickness was 0.02. And we'll hit select. And you can see shell operation failed to complete. One of the faces may offset into an adjacent face. So one of the things that, I would try to avoid is you've lofted a hollow part onto a solid part. So that might be causing the problem. I'm not sure. So what we can do is we'll come in, we'll edit the feature, and right off the bat, here we go. We have merge tangent faces, which is fine, but we have a merge result. So let's turn that off. And the goal is that what we're going to do is get this to be a separate part for now. So let's see, did we get two separate bodies? Let's turn off all the other parts so we can hide it. We're going to come in, see there. So now we have two separate bodies. We have the swept surf. Oops. Oh. Maybe we don't have two separate bodies yet. Okay. So I'm not quite sure what that one is. Let's hide that. And it looks as if, let's just come in then. And what we're going to do, whoops, is turn off the merge tangent faces as well. Okay, so let's come back up. So there we've got both parts. I'm not quite sure why it's not letting me see the individual, but let us hide just that one. So it's showing it there. It may be a graphics card issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to shell it. There it is. We got to select the face, so we're going to select that face. And we're going to select the back face, because we want to have it shelled all the way through. Let's turn this back on. And now you can see that we've got the whole part shelled. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to shell it prior to that so that it's not causing any problems in here, which was more than likely that at this area down here it was shelling it too much. At the same time, the default was set at 0.1, not 0.02, so I'm not sure if that was the issue. But now what we can do is we can come in and union the two. Let's come in and we will go insert, feature. We'll come down here, we'll go combine. We want to add these two. Make sure it's add, not subtract. We'll hit select. And now you can see we've got one full part, as well as we've got this individual shelled properly.